Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Straight up. Hey y'all, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany Devon, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with an unboxing, and I have a few things that I'm going to be unboxing. Some of these things I bought in preparation to go on my trip. I bought a few things while I was actually on my birthday trip. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing we're starting with is this Glam-Aholic jewelry case. So I actually bought this I actually bought this jewelry case to carry as a bag. I thought this was like a cute accessory. I love like the top handle on this, and although it is technically a jewelry case, you could just take the top layer in here and carry it as a cute bag with like some cute metallic like matching shoes with it, or you could just use it as a jewelry case, whichever one you feel. But I'm personally gonna use this as a cute little clutch bag to wear out places because it really is cute. It's really shiny because of the bright lights, but it's really cute. It's not too big and it's not too small. And it comes with keys so that you can lock the front of it. So it has like the little holes. I don't know if y'all can really see, but it has the holes right there so that you can put the lock on the holes. And it comes with keys and a lock so that you could lock it wherever you are. If you're traveling with this, or whatever you're doing with the case, you can actually put the key on it and lock it, the lock on it and lock it with the keys, which I think is really cute. So this was one of my first purchases. I brought this to wear on my trip and I actually didn't end up wearing it or carrying it. So I bought this to carry with one of my outfits, but I didn't end up wearing the outfit on my trip, so we're saving it. So the next thing I bought this before my trip, and I bought this just because I've been wanting this for a while. And so I got this card case. Of course, it's Louis Vuitton. It has two side pockets and then a middle pocket. As y'all can see, I already stuffed my cards in here. Originally I was thinking that I should have got a bigger one, but what I'm doing a lot more now is not carrying all my cards around with me. So I think it's a perfect size. I take a few of my cards with me and call it a day versus having all of my cards on me. So next, I've been wanting one of these bags for a while. Like when they first came out, I really wanted one, but a lot of the things that I buy, like I will think about it for a really long time before I buy it. Like I try not to be an impulsive buyer and just be out buying a whole bunch of stuff. Like a lot of the things, like a lot of the items that I purchase, especially like high priced items or higher price point items, I think about them for a while before I actually buy them. And then my dad always taught me to save 3 times of the price of the item so that you can buy it 3 times. And that way when you spend the money, you'll still have money left over. And what I'll do is I'll save the money and see the money, and then I don't want to spend it because I just want to keep saving it. So I finally broke down and bought one of these bags because I bought it originally to wear with an outfit that I was gonna wear on my trip, and I didn't end up wearing it, but I'm gonna keep the bag because I'm gonna eventually wear the outfit. I just don't know when or where, but we're gonna eventually get to wear this outfit. So what I bought is so freaking cute. So I thought about this bag for a long time because for one, it's literally a micro mini bag. Like can fit, let me see. So I'm gonna try to put my little card case in here. Nope, this doesn't even fit in there. So I could fit lip gloss or lipstick and maybe my keys in here. And by keys, my car key. It's very small in the inside, like very small. So originally I wasn't trying to spend like $300, $400, $500 on a small bag that I really can't even, like, this isn't a practical, this is literally an accessory. Like, this is literally a bag that you're wearing with your outfit as an accessory. This is not your purse that you're gonna be like, oh, I'ma just carry this out. Like, no, sis. This is cute. This is for pictures. You can take this to dinner if you're going to dinner with your man and you don't have to carry nothing but your phone and some lip gloss and a little bit of cash. But yeah, this bag is really small. So this comes with a strap, but I haven't taken the strap out of the plastic yet just because I haven't wore it yet. And I be liking to preserve my stuff until I wear it. So I thought this was really cute. Like, I love the orange color. The only thing I'm mad about is y'all probably can't tell on camera, but the hardware on here is chipping. Like, it's gold, but it's black. Like, where it's chipping is black. Like, I had seen, yeah, I don't like that. I don't really like that at all, but I think I got this one for like $300 because the other ones that I were looking at, and that was the same size. I think this is called the Chiquito. They were like $4, close to $5. So I actually ended up getting this for only, this one was $370, which is still a lot for this really small bag, but I wanted it. Before I show y'all this bag, I actually did not want this size. I wanted the mini bag. I saw it online, and you know how when you're shopping on the store, like I got this from Nordstrom. So when I was shopping on the store or shopping online on the site, I saw that they had the mini bag in stock. And typically, I don't really like shopping online. Like, when I purchase something or when I spend my money on something, I want it in my hand right then and there. Like, I don't want to have to wait on it to ship. So when I saw it online, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna pick it up in the store because it said it was available. But when I got there, the salesperson told me that somebody had just bought the bag like 10 minutes before I got there. So here's the bag. So here's the bag. It is a Geiger bag. And I love how like creative his bags are. Like, if y'all can see the detail. Like, this head is so cute to me. And it's like colored rhinestones in the top of the head. So I actually did wear this on my birthday trip. I'm gonna put the vlog out maybe next week so y'all can show y'all like all my fits and stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen what I wore. But if not, I'm gonna do my birthday vlog probably next week. But yeah, so this bag is really cute, shoulder length. You can extend it to wear it longer on your shoulder, but I typically like it to be like an actual shoulder bag. And I like how in the inside, that if I wanted to make the chain a little shorter, I could, just because how it's made or how it's on here. But yeah, and so this is one of the bags that are on like the cheaper side. So it's a luxury brand, but this size bag was only $295, and the mini I think was like $215. So the mini was probably maybe like that. But I'm glad I got this bag because I can dress this up, wear this with like something cute and classy, or I could wear this like with an all denim fit. Like, it's colorful, and you guys know me, I'm not a color type of girl, but lately I've definitely been into the colors. Like, when y'all see my birthday vlog, y'all are gonna notice that I only had on, I didn't even have on a full black dress. It was like a black and brown dress, but I only wore black one of the nights of me being down there. So I was really proud of myself, and the rest of the nights, like, I had on color, like color. So this last item that I'm going to show you guys, I bought this while I was down in Miami, and I wore this on my actual birthday night. And I was super excited because, like, the dress that I wore, like, when I envisioned, because the dress that I wore, I've had the dress for like 2 years and I just never wore it. So when I got the dress, I really didn't know what kind of shoes I was going to wear with it. And then these shoes came out and I was like, ooh, this is the perfect shoe to get to wear with it. And now these shoes have been out for a while, but I just finally gotten around to buying them, just because, again, when it comes to things that are high priced, I take a really long time to buy them just to make sure that I really, really want them. And then even when I do have the money, I still be waiting because I like to see my money. So, like, I love this green box. This green box just makes me so happy. Like, so happy. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these shoes. Because I wore them on my actual birthday, which was April 3rd. But I got me some Bottegas, honey. And I originally wanted the pair that had like the toe in the middle, the toe divider in the middle. But I'm actually glad that I got these because these shoes are really comfortable. Like, the heel is not too high, which was also different for me because I love me a high heel. Like, I love me a high heel. But these are an actually lower heel, which isn't bad. And they were comfortable. The only thing is, of course, because it was my first time wearing them, I bought them a couple of hours before we went to go eat, so I didn't have any time to break them in. So this strap right here that goes around the foot, it's just a little tight, but I think it'll give a little more once I wear them a couple of more times. But overall, the shoe is really comfortable. Like, I feel like I could probably wear these all the time and all day and not feel like, oh my gosh, my feet are dying. And then, of course, you know, they come with the dust bags, which I love when shoes come with dust bags, especially because when you're traveling, you don't want to like mess your shoes up while just putting them in the suitcase. And I'm not taking my boxes everywhere because I do like to keep my boxes. Like, I'm not one of those people that throw their boxes away. I do like to keep my boxes. And I was really mad that this box was broken, and my sister told me that I was doing too much if I was to ask her to give me a new box. So I left it alone. But yeah, definitely out of everything I purchased, I equally love everything that I purchased, but these Bottegas are probably my favorite. But that is it for this unboxing. Let me know which pieces or items were your favorites. If you'd like more videos like this, let me know, because I'm celebrating my birthday the entire month of April. Like, whether it's buying something or doing something that I just been wanting to do and haven't done, like, I am celebrating my birthday all of April. So of course it's going to be a few more things that I order, so I can definitely do some more unboxing if you guys like unboxings. I definitely have some try on hauls on the way because I filmed a try on haul before I went to Miami, and then Y'all know I went shopping while I was down there, and y'all know there's a Zara in Miami, so I'm definitely gonna have another Zara haul coming. I'm going to Atlanta again soon, so yeah, we're gonna have some trial hauls coming. My birthday vlog is coming, and I tried to be a great vlogger during my birthday, but I was more so just trying to enjoy my time and trying not to make sure we were late and trying to make sure we weren't late to any of our reservations. So I didn't really vlog a lot, but I feel like I got some like good key things that we did, especially like with the restaurants that we went to and stuff like that. But yeah, all of that'll be out soon. We're gonna get this ball rolling, and I'm gonna try to post videos every Wednesday at 5:30. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.